to hit South Beach, boy. We finna, yeah, let them see what's going on back here. I'm about to head on the beach. Boy, they about to go on South Beach, boy. Yeah. About to go get showered up. Got that boy showering up. Y'all better ride. What y'all drink? Casamigos 1942. We outside, man. We ain't finna play with them today, boy. Yeah. We support black businesses and all, man. Y'all see my nigga, man. That's what we do. That's what we do. Woo! We outside. Hey.
If I caught a life sentence, would you wait for me? Never on the ground till the truth stay.
We outside today, man. Yeah, showing y'all what's going on, man. Finna go in the crib, take a shower, get right, hit South Beach, hit Wynwood, hit Midtown. You feel what I'm saying? It's the regular day, man. It's sunny out here. It's vibing today. You feel what I'm saying? Look at that. Look at that. Yeah. Y'all make sure y'all tune in with me, man. Y'all hit that subscribe, share button, man, so we can know what's going on. We getting the engine and all cleaned up, man. We spraying all in that motherfucker. You heard? Yeah. I know that's right. Yeah, man. At the same time, till the vert get right, this is my new boo right here. This is like the appetizer. You get what I'm trying to tell you? Just like an appetizer. You know how you go to dinner? You know how you go to a restaurant? You know what I'm saying? You get the main course, get it done all up. We just gonna go ahead and say, man, let me get some little appetizer. Look, shit ain't even washed yet. Look how wet that boy is, boy. Shit ain't even washed yet. Feel me? Man, y'all need to stop playing, man. Y'all better not miss out, boy. We going on that beach. We going to Wynwood. We cutting through, man. We coming through. 20K on the dates. Yeah, man, that's what it is, man. We having fun. We loving this culture. This is what it's all about. All that hard work, dedication that we put in. With these shots to shots. With these shots giving nigga headaches. This will all pay off right here. On these Saturdays and Sundays, man, we just get to get us a little drink. Put that Creed cologne on, cause I ain't got no 454, 350. I ain't knocking no motors, but at the same time, I got that LS, boy. So that Creed gonna stick on me. You know what I'm saying? That Creed gonna stick on me, man. Yes, sir. I know that's right. We outside, man. You feel me? Go ahead, let my car wash homie do what he got to do. You feel me? Jump in the shower, get fresh, get cleaned all up. Y'all see what Blog Greasy saying, man. Let's look at this trunk. We washing the trunk and all, man. Stop playing, pussy hoe. Yes, sir. I know that's right. Yeah, man, we outside, man. Y'all make sure y'all pull up, man. If y'all in Miami, if y'all 305, y'all outside, y'all pull up on me, man. We gonna slide through Wynwood first. Then we gonna go to South Beach. First, we gotta hit a liquor store. I ain't telling y'all to drink and drive, but I know how to do this. We gonna hit a liquor store, man. Oh yeah, you hot now, huh? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, man, y'all stop playing. Look at that. That's Glass House right there, boy. Woo-wee. Mess on me. Y'all get back at me, man. When we get right, we gonna hit the beach. We gonna hit a couple of scenes out there. We gonna jump out and mess with the people, man, and see what we gonna do. Yeah, man, we outside today, man. We outside today. We outside today, boy. Uh-huh. Oh, yeah, pussy hoe. Chevy life, bitch. Stop playing crazy. Stop playing them crackhead ass games, you heard? We outside, man. Y'all know what's going on, man. Yes, sir. Of course, just focus it on me.
You gotta clean these seatbelts up, man.
You gotta be hands-on with this shit, man. This shit, you gotta be hands-on, boy. You Gotta clean this shit. See, y'all boys ain't got no original 90, man. Y'all boys ain't got no original 90, so y'all wouldn't know about these seat belts right here, you feel me? This is an original 90, man. Stop playing. You getting them good footage, man. Like your camera blow too low, bro. Yeah? You on point? Gotta get them doors, man. I stop playing, man. Gotta wash this thing down right, man. When you get ready to go cut up, you gotta make sure everything on point, boy. It's that Great Poupon, you hear me? It's that Great Poupon. Yeah. That's him now. That's him now. Mm-hmm. Clean that boy. Yeah. We ready to be outside now. Oh yeah. Stop playing, coach. Let's get this side over here. Mm-hmm. You cut it.